Hi, this is Anjaneyulu, Physics faculty. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are going to discuss about 9th class physics. In optics, the subtopic is lens maker's formula for concave lens. So here the general lens maker's formula is 1 by f equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is the general formula. But in case of sign convention point of view, if you consider a concave lens, so this is the first concave surface. Now here the radius of curvature, so here it is in opposite to direction of the light rays passing, so that's why R1 is considered as a negative. Next, the second surface is in the direction of the light rays traveling, so that's why the radius of curvature R2 is positive. So in case of a concave lens, R1 is negative, R2 is positive. Then how the lens maker's formula changes? 1 by f equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by minus R1 minus 1 by R2. Now, if you take minus is common here, mu minus 1 into, so 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So this is the general formula of lens maker's formula in case of concave lens. Okay. Next, if you consider equiconvex lens, equiconcave lens. So equiconcave lens means R1 equal to R2 equal to R. R1 equal to R2 equal to R. So then the above equation changes. 1 by f equal to minus of mu minus 1, 1 by r plus 1 by r. So 2 by r we can write. So this formula is applicable for equiconcave lens. Next, third formula. If you consider a diverging meniscus, in this diverging meniscus, if the radius of curvature of the first surface is less than radius of curvature of the second surface, then the lens maker's formula is 1 by f equal to minus of mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 for diverging meniscus concave lens purpose. So what we have to take here is 1 by f equal to minus of mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So these are the formulae. Now based upon these formulae, now we are going to discuss problems. The first problem is a concave lens of a glass of refractive index 1.5, a concave lens of a glass of refractive index 1.5 has both surface of same radius, surface of same radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Find focal length of a concave lens. Find focal length of a concave lens. So here first option is 15 centimeter, second option minus 15 centimeter, third option 30 centimeter, Fourth option minus 30 centimeter. So in this problem, once if you see here, a concave lens of glass of refractive index 1.5. So in this problem, mu value given, mu value is equal to 1.5, has both surface of same radius of curvature. So same radius of curvature means R1 is 15 centimeter, R2 equal to also 15 centimeter. But according to sign convention, R1 we should take minus 15 centimeter, R2 is plus 15 centimeter. So here find the focal length. So our aim is to find the focal length. The basic formula is 1 by f equal to minus of mu minus 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. So here after taking sign conventions, this is the formula. So that's why 1 by f equal to minus. So otherwise here we can take like this also. Here minus and here minus we can take. So here 1 mu minus 1.5 minus 1, 0.5 means 1 by 2. So here minus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 15. Okay, now here 1 by f is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 15. We can take here minus 2 by 15. 2 cancel. So after reverse here f equal to minus 15 centimeter. So here the focal length of a concave lens is minus 15 centimeter. Second option is correct. Okay. Next, second problem. Second problem. A diverging meniscus lens of a diverging meniscus lens of 1.5 refractive index has concave surfaces of radii are 1:2. Radii are 1:2 and focal length is is 20 centimeter. Then find radii of curvature in centimeter. Then find radii of curvature in centimeters. So here first option is minus 5 comma 10. Second option 5 comma 10. Third option 20 comma 40. Fourth option 4 comma 8. So what is the solution this problem? So a diverging meniscus. So diverging meniscus, what is the focal length formula? I explained starting 1 by f equal to minus of mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So in this the condition is r1 is less than r2. So already given like that only. A diverging meniscus has a lens of 1.5 refractive index. So here mu equal to 1.5 has a concave surface of radii are 1:2. So R1 equal to x, R2 equal to 2x. R2 equal to 2x. And focal length is 20 centimeter. So F equal to 20 centimeter. So then find radii of curvature. Okay, substitute the values in this formula. So what we will get, 1 by 20 equal to minus mu minus 1. So 1.5 minus 1, 0.5. We can write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by R1. So here after sign convention only, this is the formula for diverging meniscus. So again no need to take here sign conventions. Okay, 1 by x minus 1 by 2x. So 1 by 20 equal to minus 1 by 2. So 2x square, 2x minus x. So in this what we can write, 1 by 20 equal to minus 1 by 2 into x by 2x square. So here x, this one cancel. So here 4, 5 times cancel. Therefore x equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 means R1 equal to minus 5 and R2 equal to 2x. That is, so here we can take sign conventions based. R1 is negative minus 5 centimeter, R2 is positive 10 centimeter. R2 is positive 10 centimeter. So that's why minus 5 and 10. So we are consider first option is correct. Next, third problem. For equiconcave lens has radii of curvature. For equiconcave lens has radii of curvature is 20 centimeter each and focal length 30 centimeter. Then find refractive index of refractive index of material of a lens. Material of a lens. So what are the options here? 1.44, second option 1.33, third option 1.5, fourth option 1.7. Okay, so in this problem equiconcave lens. So equiconcave lens means the radii of curvature R1 and R2 both are having equal magnitude. So that's why simply we are taking here that R value is 20 centimeter and focal length is 30 centimeter. So focal length, that is F equal to 30 centimeter. So then find refractive index, mu equal to question mark. So in case of a equiconcave lens, the formula is 1 by F equal to mu minus 1 into 2 by R. 2 by R. So here 1 by F equal to, so F value already given. What is its value? 30. 1 by 30 minus mu minus 1 into 2 by 20 because R value 20. Okay, now here this 0 cancel, 2 and here 2 cancel. So 1 by 3 is equal to minus of mu minus 1. 1 by 3 equal to minus of mu minus 1. So here this 1 by 3 equal to minus mu plus 1. So when it comes to this side, mu equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So here 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is here, I think 0.66. So mu is equal to 2 by 3 means 0.66 we will get. So here see once 1 by 3 equal to minus mu plus 1. Mu equal to, when mu comes to left side, 1 by 3 goes to right side, 1 minus 1 by 3, 3 minus 1. So 2 by 3, that is 0.66. So fourth option is 0.66. That's why fourth option is correct. Okay. Thank you.